I'm wondering what your thoughts are about this increase in this rapid rate, this exponential rate of papers being published in new technologies, and the fairly stagnant level rate in which the general public is literate about these type of technologies and science in general, and that growing gap. I wonder if you have felt that pressure recently, and how you as a scientist feel like you need to adjust in order to communicate these new technologies efficiently and effectively to the general public.
Great, thank you. This is really a fantastic question. I think it's great that there are a lot of papers being published. I think what that represents is that, one, our ability to conduct studies and our tools are getting better so that scientists can make discoveries faster, can proceed through experiments or multiple experiments using the same amount of time that it takes before. And so our aggregate knowledge that's accumulating is growing exponentially, which is fantastic. It's great for the world, great for developing medicine. At the same time, I absolutely agree with you that we need more education into biology, into bring the biological literacy level up. And that's something that I think all of us have a responsibility to do. Through our conversations with people around us, through our formal and informal obligations to teach and to communicate science, I think those are some of the things that each of us can do our part to make the public understanding of biology better. By giving a community lecture like this, hopefully it will convey some new information about biology to the general community, to the general public, so that our understanding and our appreciation of science can increase, and then people can continue to support the development of science and research. I think those are some of the things that we can all do, but we could all do more too at the same time.